Hi guys, it's Christina. I'm a nutritional therapist and I upload delicious healthy recipes and easy digestible informational content every week. If you're new to my channel and if these are topics that interest you, then do subscribe to be notified when a new video goes live. In this episode, we will be talking about turmeric and how you can incorporate it into your life. So what is turmeric? Turmeric is part of the ginger family and comes from India and other Southeast Asian countries. It has a distinctive yellow color and it has been cited a lot of times in different studies and is very popular as a medicinal herb because of its abilities to help you fight and also potentially reverse disease. Amongst other things, turmeric contains potassium, iron, and dietary fiber. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory effects and can also be used as antioxidant. Studies have shown that turmeric can help treat cancer, that it can help reverse some issues related to insulin resistance, and also treat cholesterol. You will need to be careful with this herb because some people have reported some skin issues or some health issues because of consuming big quantities of turmeric. So if you're taking medication, then do consult with your doctor, making sure that you take it as you would take any other medicinal herb. However, I do highly recommend it because it has helped me with weight management and energy levels. And it's a great herb to consume if you don't consume it on a regular basis. You can incorporate turmeric in various ways in your diet. You can either put it in your food, so you can use it in curries, you can sprinkle a little bit on your potatoes when you bake them. I tend to drink it as a latte, so if you've heard of golden latte, that contains turmeric. I also can put a little bit with coconut flakes and drink hot water with turmeric and coconut flakes. There are also some tea bags like that sold in Holland & Barrett or other health stores. In the next weeks, I also will provide you examples of how you can use turmeric into your diet that will make your food delicious, and also you'll get all the health benefits from it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment on the section below, and do subscribe because I upload new content every week. See you in the next episode.